Lyman, I dare you to go in this haunted circus.
Only if you come with.
Fine.
You shouldn't go in there. It doesn't look safe.
Lyman, if you don't go into that tent, I'll tell Mom about the thing.
Not the thing.
The thing.
This doesn't look like the inside of a tent.
Race to the exit.
We don't exit.
It's a trick or something. Race again. Last one to the exit isn't preppy. It's a loop.
Who on earth are you?
I'm the puppeteer. Welcome to the Circus of Infinity, where millions of people have entered, but no one has escaped. What makes you think you'll be any different?
What?
Lyman? Hello?
So, I see that you've escaped all my puppets.
And I'm going to escape you too.
Lyman!
Percy, what did you do to her?
I turned her into one of my puppets. She is one of my prisoners. Forever. You have a choice, Lyman. Leave without your sister, or stay with us forever.
We bring to you breaking news. Local circus is being investigated after a number of children went missing following its opening. We urge the public to keep their eyes open for any children under the names of Percy, Lyman, Taya, Bianca, or Liam.